How's it going, everybody? So today I got a quick little tool haul. Just going to show you the items. We'll take them apart, take them out of their boxes. We'll do, specs and information videos on other videos. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. It's a small little tool haul from Lowe's. Alright everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smoosh the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so these are two items I picked up from Lowe's, and I was actually shocked to find this one. This one I went to the store for. And this will help us do some other videos and comparisons against the DCF887, which is the normal XR 3-speed impact, compared to this guy right here, which is the new 850, DCF850. This is the DCF840, which is the competitor at Lowe's against Home Depot's 850, which is this guy right here. This one is a 3-speed impact, just like the 887. This one is not. It is just variable trigger, and that's all you get. And this is the 5-in-1 drill driver kit. So you get 4 attachments, and then the main one is the 5th. And the reason I picked this one up is because I want to do comparisons between the Milwaukee. And I do have the Milwaukee 5-in-1, which is this guy right here. So that the Dewalt's supposed to be a lot more compact, which is something that is nice because I very rarely use this magnet tray right here, and I just think this housing is just way too big for what it needs to be. It doesn't need to be this big, in my opinion. They could have put the charging indicator for the battery on the tool, like 90% of all M12 tools, and they could have just had just the handle. I'm not sure why Milwaukee made it so wide, but I use it. It works well. This one is the Extreme. I have a large selection of Extreme tools that I dedicate this drawer to. Basically, my wife can use anything that she wants in this drawer because they're a lot lighter, more compact. They're easier for her to use than a full-size tool. That's why I buy the Extreme 12-volt tools. And then this, like I said, is the DCF840. Pop it out the bag. DCF840C2. Comes with two 1.5 amp hour batteries, I believe. And, for 99 bucks, you really can't beat this, to be honest. Just the tool alone is $159, I believe, is what I saw at Lowe's, just for the tool, bare tool. So 99 bucks, you get 2 batteries, a bag, and a charger. That's not bad. Even though they are the black DeWalt batteries, not a big deal, because then I can pop those. I can add those batteries to my selection when I do weight and measurement videos. Or the 1.5 is a lot lighter than a 2.0, because they are the black version of these DeWalt batteries. So, not just the bottom is black, but the whole battery is black. So it's the older style batteries from DeWalt. I am looking at picking up also a lawnmower, which comes with 2 10 amp hour batteries, and these are the 8s. So the 10 amp hours are just like these. They're just 10 amp hour 21700 cell batteries, but you can't find the 10 amp hours by themselves. The only thing I've ever seen the 10 amp hour with is with the lawnmower. So when I do my weights and measurement videos, I usually grab every single battery I have that's different amp hour batteries. I grab one of each, and I weigh each of these tools with those batteries. So now I'll be able to weigh them with a 1.5. So this kit, the DCF840C2, Says drive size 1/4 inch, 6.35 millimeter, quick release hex shank, which is nice that Dewalt provides all of these tools with the quick release. They're also quick insert. All of Dewalt's collets I've noticed are quick insert. Max torque is 1700 inch-pounds or 192 newton meters. No load speed is 0 to 3200 RPMs. Impacts a minute are 0 to 4200 impacts per minute. Tool weight, tool only, is 1.95 pounds. This guy right here has different specs. So this actually has more impacts per minute. The DCF840 has more impacts per minute than the DCF850. The 850 does 3,800 impacts per minute, where this one does, what did I say, 4,200. So it is quite a bit different. This one goes from 0 to 1,000 in first, 2,800, 0 to 2,800 in second, and 0 to 3,250 RPMs in third. This one, I believe the RPMs are 3,200. So this one actually has a little bit more RPM, 3,200, where this one has 3,250. So this one has 50 RPMs more speed than this one, but this one has, this one's 38. This one right here has 400 more impacts per minute than this one. So we'll do lots of more videos on them. But 99 bucks is a killer deal. I wasn't gonna, not pick one up. I've got lots of impact drivers. I use them all for different things. The other difference is the 840, the 850 right here has a wider head, shorter. It's shorter. So this piece, the head is wider this direction, and it's shorter this direction. Where this DCF840, it has a longer head, so this body is longer, but it's narrower, so it's not as wide. It's actually like this. And then this guy right here, I picked it up. They also did, my Lowe's also had the Extreme Subcompact Series bandsaw, as well as the newer 5 3/8 circular saw, which I will be going back to pick those guys up too. But this is the DCD703F1 5-in-1 drill and driver kit. This is basically like an installation driver. Information on the back of this guy. Compact, lightweight design for access in tight spaces, which the handle's a lot smaller than the Milwaukee. 4 dedicated attachment solutions, high-speed transmission with 2-speed settings. This one actually has an actual physical switch for transmission 1 and 2 settings, where the Milwaukee is digital. High-speed transmission. Max power is 250 unit watts out. Max RPM in first is 0 to 425, and in second it's 0 to 1500 RPMs. Clutch settings, configuration, it has 15 clutches. Chuck size is 3/8. That would be for, more than likely, for your drill attachment. It's 3/8. Tool length is 5 inches. Tool weight, tool only, is 1.6 pounds. This kit comes with the DCD703 drill driver, 12 volt max DCB 122 battery, which is a 2 amp hour, charger, right angle screwdriver, offset, chuck attachment, belt hook, and kit bag. It's a nice little kit, and this was 179 bucks. This one right here was 99. Ended up being a total of 299 bucks out the door with tax. This one right here. So $179 for the 5-in-1 drill driver kit. $99 for the DCF840C2. So Dog Charlie Frank or Delta Charlie Frank 840 Charlie 2. This one is Delta Charlie Delta 703 Frank 1. So 99 bucks. $278 out the door. And then tax is $21.68. It came out to $299.68. And to me, that's a killer deal. I got another 12 volt extreme tool. I use the 12 volt tools just as much as my wife does. They're a lot easier for my wife to handle compared to, you know, a full-size hammer drill, stuff like that, full-size impact. They're a lot lighter. And I'm wondering if these heads will fit on the Milwaukee, and the Milwaukee may fit on this tool. I have no idea. We'll experiment with it. But just a quick video, guys. These are the two tools I picked up. I picked up the 840. We'll do comparisons like other channels on YouTube against the 850, against the 887. You know, and we'll just compare those. This one I picked up because, you know, why not? I like the installation drivers. I just don't like how wide the Milwaukee is. And I'll show you guys the Milwaukee again. I just don't like how wide the Milwaukee is. There's grease on it. I do use it. The one other thing I don't like, you know, I like that the transmission 1 and 2 is a switch, but I don't like that you don't have a standard reverse switch. You know, just flip it, you know, this side to reverse, and then push the button on the other side like this. I like these style reverse and forward switches a lot better, where you just push it. This one kind of gets annoying. You gotta, you know, push the button, and yeah, it's just a downside for me. But we will compare these two to this style standard handle. So this one is the Milwaukee. It's got this weird kind of guard handle with the magnetic tray. And the magnetic tray is nice, but it doesn't hold much. And it makes it very top heavy. And the way this tool is set up is it's actually meant more to have a stock small compact battery. It sits better with a compact battery. You know, if you use, like I do sometimes, you use, you know, like a 3 or 4 or 5, or a 3 or 4 or a 6 like this. It sits, but when there's a chuck on here, it just leans. So this tool is meant for the compact torpedo batteries, not necessarily meant, which is these guys, not necessarily meant for the XR batteries. But this tool is just like this one. It's just in this form factor, which is nicer to me. But that is all I got for you guys today. We will do unboxings and, you know, specs and information videos on both of these tools later down the road. Probably right after this is done being recorded, I'll record the other ones for you guys. But I do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out the video. I hope this video is useful and helpful. You know, if you guys just wanted to know what specs and information is, then you can watch this shorter video compared to probably the 20 or 30 minute video that's going to be the specs, information, weights, and measurements. Those videos are a lot longer. I will also be doing an introduction to the channel. You guys will get to see the introduction video first. I always make those because everything's unboxed, or I already unboxed everything, and I give you guys specs and information on those videos. And I always release those first because I'm introducing them to the channel, and it gives me time to record the footage for these guys, the unboxings, usage videos, and stuff. But I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Thank you guys so much for stopping by as always. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Hope to see you guys on the next video. Hope you guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!